In this book, I would like to review my fashion design workshop. This is probably the hardest part about trying to design anything is the drawing. When I was a child, I could draw cartoon characters really good. As I got older, it just wasn't anything I focused on, but now I'm seeing the need for it, and I know I can get better if I try. I got this hoping I would do it, but I get so discouraged at my first attempts, and I know I just have to push through it. But what I like about this is that they show you how to start. So you've got your color basics, your drawing technique. So um, types of strokes. So circular, linear, looks like circumline. Scribble your pencil and random strokes to create an organic mass. Hatching, smooth, stippling, and then you've got your colors. How to create textures. So if you want to create a plaid or a tweed or sparkle sequins, which is very fascinating because how you can make something look sparkly with a pencil or a pen is awesome. They go over the fashion terms and then proportions for your croquis. And then how to pose and your eyes and head and face and lips. And then you just go on to different types of garments. You have fun and casual, athletic and sporty, bohemian and eclectic. So really cool, basic drawing. And this is, I love these because you can just photocopy them and then draw your clothing over these croquis here. So yeah, it's a nice little book. Stylish Step-by-Step Projects and Drawing Tips for Up-and-Coming Designers by Stephanie Corfee. So I'll leave a link in the description box below if you guys would like to check it out. Thanks.